Hello everyone, Thiago here from OneUpTech. Today I will unbox this beauty here, the PlayStation 5 30th Anniversary Edition. Also, it's also a very special day for us because this is the very first video in the channel. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. And let's get started. First of all, let's enjoy this box. Look at that design. Sony nailed it. Here on the back of the box, you can see how the PlayStation 5 Slim version looks like. For the PlayStation 5 Pro Edition, I know it was released at 10,000 units. I'm not sure about this Slim version. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. The side of the box has also pictures of some of the items included, like the DualSense wireless controller, the vertical stand, so you can use the PlayStation 5 on vertical instead of horizontally. And also, if you manage to buy a disk drive, it comes with a disk cover, so you don't have to use the white version that comes with it. The box also have the limited edition written and all over it. As I've already mentioned, this version of the PlayStation 5 doesn't come with a disk drive. But if you manage to buy one, you can absolutely use with it. So this side of the box is self-explanatory, and also again, limited edition all over it. There are some regulations in the bottom, and that's it. Let's open it. Wow, look at this. A lot of icons from PlayStation family, like the PlayStation 2, the PlayStation 2, PlayStation 1, the PlayStation 5 over there, DualSense wireless controller. That's amazing. Very well done, Sony. Let's remove it from the box very gently. I don't want to damage the box. Oh, over this box I can see the square, triangle, X, and circle. That's so neat. So here are some instructions on how to open the box and remove the console from inside. And wow, look at this. PlayStation 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over this box. So nice. I'm gonna remove everything from this inside this box so I can better show you what's inside of each one of them, and including the PlayStation 5. PlayStation 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over this box. And let's see what's inside. Yeah, we have, okay, the power cable, it's over here. Let's put on the side. The DualSense wireless controller. And probably some manuals. I don't need them now. And some, oh, those are the PlayStation 30th Anniversary Edition exclusive items. Okay. Okay, let's open this one here and to see what's inside. Actually, let me organize here so you guys can better see each one of the items. Let me just confirm there's nothing else here. So let's put this box aside. And this one, let me confirm that it's just the manuals. Yeah, those are the manuals. We don't need them now. So the power cable. Let's open the DualSense wireless controller first and see. Wow, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. It's exactly the same of the original PlayStation 1 and feels the same like the other controllers. Let me put it closer to the camera so you guys can better see the details as well. I'm not sure if the camera will focus, but here in the back, it's also written the PlayStation 30th anniversary. Let's put the controller here and go to the next item. Yeah, let's open the most important item of all. And here it is, guys. The PlayStation 5 30th Anniversary Edition. Oh, it looks amazing with this PlayStation 1 original color. And like the regular PlayStation 5, you can see the triangle, circle, and square on the side cover as well. Let's clean up a little bit so I can better show you the PlayStation 5. Here are the inputs from the back. And also now they have like two USB-Cs and the power button. Now let's open this beauty here. I believe this one is for cable management. It has the original button colors for each one of them. Let's take a look. Yeah, definitely they are for cable management. You can wrap these guys around your USB-C cables or any cable that you have and lock it with the triangle and the square. Let me put it close to the camera so you guys can better see it. The next item is, let's see what it is. Oh, this is a specific cover for the USB-C cable, so it's gonna look like the original PlayStation 1 controller. You guys can see it closer to the camera now. And for the next one, let's open this one and see what's inside. Oh, this is a paper clips with the PlayStation logo format. You guys can see it's like closer to the camera now. That's so neat. I'll never use it. And the next one is a PlayStation sticker. Oh, this one is so nice. Look at this. And for the next item, let me organize here first so I can better show you what's inside of this folder. You already see there's a poster here. Oh, this folder is so nice. With the 30th anniversary edition and also the logos. And the poster, wow, this is the DualSense wireless controller, so big. In the back as well. That's so neat. I know that each PlayStation Slim Anniversary Edition has a specific poster. I'm not sure how many of them are, but if you guys know, let me know in the comments below. Now let's take a look on this in this box here. I'm not sure what's inside. It looks like we have here HDMI cable, a USB-C cable, and the vertical stand. I'm not sure how this is a screw, and this is definitely the disc cover with the anniversary edition colors. Yes. So again, if you guys buy a disc drive, you can use this one to match the colors of your PlayStation anniversary edition. This is everything that was included in the box. Let me organize the items here so you guys can see each one of them in detail. So this is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the very first video in the channel. And let me know in the comments if you like this version of PlayStation 5 and which one of the items in the box you liked it the most. I hope to see you guys in the next one.